I was sent this air duster for my review, and this thing is super powerful. The RPMs on this little fan are out of this world. It's very, very easy to use, and there is a trigger button. There is a dial button as well to dial from 0 all the way to 11. I'm pretty sure it is 11 because it's so fast. And it is USB-C rechargeable, so there is the USB-C here, and they do provide you with the cable, which is a nice plus, of course. Trigger button will turn it on. I'm going to lower it just a bit. So right now I'm dialed at 0 right in the back. And if I dial it on, I can literally just intensify just by dialing it up. There's a nice little screen here that tells you that you're actually using it and it's on, which is a nice thing. Yeah, let's see. Before I even look at the accessories, let's see how powerful this thing can be. I'm just going to start. So obviously, yes, that's wind, that's normal, but check this out. I'm going to turn it off because, yes, it blew the box away. This is amazing to clean, to dust away the car. I'm doing it on like my PlayStation 5 just to get the fan, all that dust inside the fan. AC units, anything that's hard. You've got tower fan. I've got a tower fan right here, and a tower fan is exactly what I'm talking about, to be able to like kind of like take all that dust away. And now let's talk about the actual attachments, because the attachments here are really, really cool. So there you go. So all of a sudden, I've even focused even more my fan power, which is great. And I can do it in 2 ways. Check this out. We're going to do this. Oh, look at that. Now all of a sudden, I become this power blower that literally will blow away all the dust, all the debris, everything around it. Great for all the sand, all that dust, all that dirt, maybe in between your car seat or maybe your couch. That would work fantastically. So that's one little attachment right here that you actually adapt like this. And then there's this one here. Let's see what this one does. Can I go like that? No. So this one here is literally your... That's pretty cool. Your, let's turn it on. Hold on. I gotta hold on to the things that are on the table. It blows so hard. So yeah, that would be kind of like your main, the main way that you would use this unit. And then when you want to do the attachment, you literally plug in the attachment and use it that way. Very, very cool. And then there's another attachment here, and let's see how that works. So if I actually do this, can I add this attachment to it? Let's see. Yes, I can. So now all of a sudden, I have something that I can brush away, lift up the sand, and blast it away. This thing is so powerful. 2.5 hours to charge it fully. It does fast charge as well. And then you've got hours and hours of really intense cleaning, if you know what I mean. This thing is invaluable in the house, at the office, in the shed. Imagine in the garage, all that dust, all that debris. Very, very fast and so portable. Wow.